Let's see how you can easily build multiple AI agents for your own business that can work on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp and other channels too. So here the idea is that instead of using a single AI agent on multiple channels like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and other channels, you can actually create multiple AI agents and assign specific channels for that specific AI agents as well. Suppose if you want to respond differently in WhatsApp, you can do that. If you want to respond on Instagram in a different way, then you can also create a separate AI agent for the Instagram channel only as well. Alright, so let's see how to achieve this one right here. First of all, you need to connect the support channels like Facebook page, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, SMS, and other channels too. And here, if you go to the AI hub and create an AI agent over here, for example, here we have a few AI agents created for different business, but here, if you want to customize the responses on different channels accordingly, you can do that as well. For example, Horizon Flow Yoga Studio. So here, if you set this as the default agent over here, that means it will automatically work on all these support channels when they send messages. But if you want to customize the responses for each of these channels, then first of all you need to make sure to unset the default agent over here. All right, and then you have to go to settings over here and integrations. Make sure to let's say you are planning to use OpenAI and AI auto replay. Make sure to switch this off as well. So if it is active, AI auto reply is active, it will simply automatically use the default AI agent to respond to user messages before triggering the fallback flow. We don't want that default AI agent to work on all these support channels. We want to customize the messages on each of these channels, so make sure this is inactive or deactivated as well. All right, AI auto replace deactivated. So now you can actually use in general settings, general, you can actually use a fallback flow, and in the fallback flow you can actually call the specific AI agent based on different channels as well. All right, so let's see how this actually works. For example, let me open the flow section and create a new flow, and let me say custom AI agent for channels. All right, and here you can set specific AI agent for different channels, and here it says start. The first step is right here, but if you want to add a condition, you can do that. Condition, make this as the starting step and remove this one for now. And now in the condition you can set specific channel as well. For example, current channel, for example, let me say Instagram. So if it is Instagram, you can set a specific AI actions and responses accordingly. And for example, let me add one more condition over here saying current channel is WhatsApp. All right, this is for the Instagram and this is for the WhatsApp. And here for the Instagram, let's say we want to use an AI agent. So let me actions, add an action over here and use the OpenAI. And here you can select a specific AI agent you have already created in the AI hub as well. So here instead of generate text, agents, all right, and choose the AI agent you want to respond. For example, let me use this one, Horizon Flow Yoga Studio. All right, and here last input, and you want to save the response in the AI output, so you can create a new field if you want, otherwise use AI output. All right, and this is how it works on Instagram. If it is successful, let's send the AI output message to the customer. All right, so here AI output. All right, so that's how we set up for the Instagram. For the Instagram, we have this AI agent, Horizon Yoga Studio. So let me make a duplicate of this one right here. All right, and let's set up a different AI agent for the WhatsApp just for the demo. So let me choose this one. Let me keep other things as it is. All right, and here again we want to send the AI output, the same response. And if it is other channels, I don't want to generate a response. For example, in Messenger, I don't want to send any sort of messages, so it will work only for the Instagram and WhatsApp. For the Instagram, we have this AI agent about a yoga studio, but in WhatsApp we have a different AI agent which is about the HVAC solutions. All right, so let me publish this one. All right, so the flow name is custom AI agent for channels. So now let me go back to the settings and choose the flow fallback flow as this one, custom AI agent for channels. All right, so now it has been saved. So now if I send any sort of messages on Instagram, it will work based on the specific AI agent we have set up, which is about the Horizon Studio right there. All right, so let's test how this actually works. So here I'm in the Instagram, so let me send a message asking about what services do you provide. What services do you provide? Alright, so I'm asking about the services. So for the Instagram, we have set up the agent about the yoga studio. So let's see what happens over here. So let me share my phone screen as well. We offer beginner, vinyas, power, based work, down class, private sessions, yoga kids, yoga corporate, yoga special workshop events. We also provide virtual classes via Zoom. Simple as that. So it simply provide all the information about that yoga studio. So let me ask one more question. So here this is the business information about the yoga studio. For example, let me ask about the pricing as well. For example, membership plan basic $79 a month. So let me ask this. Tell me about your membership plans. Alright, so here this is about the yoga studio. I am asking about, tell me about your membership plans. Let's see how this actually works. So it simply says basic 79, 5 classes, unlimited monthly 129. Simple as that. So it simply respond right here about the specific yoga studio. And here for the WhatsApp, we have set up a different AI agent right here about the HVAC solutions. So now if we set up, go to the WhatsApp and ask a different question. Let's see what happens over here. So here I'm in the WhatsApp. So let me ask the same question like in Instagram. What services do you provide? So here I'm asking the same question about what services do you provide. Let's see what happens. So this about the HVAC. So it simply says we provide AC installation, replacement, etc, etc. So here we have set up two AI agents. One is about this one HVAC and this one about for the Horizon Yoga Studio. So HVAC runs on the WhatsApp, but Horizon Yoga Studio runs through the Instagram. But if you want to use the same AI agent, you can do that as well. But just for the demo purpose, I'm showing right here. So here it simply generate responses on WhatsApp using this specific AI agent we set up right here for the WhatsApp. But if they send a message on a different channel, so here we have actually connected the TikTok, SMS, Telegram and other channels too. But if they send a message on TikTok or Telegram or the channel, it doesn't work because we have the condition to respond accordingly for the Instagram and WhatsApp only. All right. And if you go to the unified inbox, you can track all these conversations just happened. So inbox, so this from the WhatsApp, this from the Instagram. Likewise, you can see all these conversation from all the support channels as well. And from here also agent can jump in and talk with the customers as well. And that's a quick video on how you can actually build multiple AI agent for your business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.